407 joins us now. This is Done Right. Alexander Dietz has the ride. And Sandra Pisano is the owner.
No, yo sí tengo luz ahí, ya, luz, pero pagar. Puedes hacer compartir a lo del gas, pero el güey que te conecte de ahí tiene que pagar.
And 407 Done Right just did it right. Alexander Dietz has the ride, and moving on to the short course time there, 72.874 against our 77.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
And number 407, Done Right, and it's Alexander Dietz jumping right into second place. Nice ride, 37.